Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So it has been a busy week over at Walgreens, and I do apologize that I didn't include all these deals. So I thought I would whip together a quick curbside deal because I know a lot of you enjoy curbside shopping. So that's what this video is today. And there's still so many great deals over there. First piece of business I want to talk about are these two boosters that showed up in the last couple of days. The first is a 10 back when you spend 30 on Valentine's Day. Merchandise, candy, that good stuff. And this morning I got a 10 back when you spend 40, and that is valid next week. Load them right away, and they are always your mileage may vary. Okay, so this video is a curbside pickup, meaning you're hitting that box on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff through your cell phone, desktop, computer, tablet, driving to the store, and picking it up. And anything that should be in the freezer, they usually store everything. They have a freezer section for curbside pickups, so it won't be sitting in the photo counter for 2 days thawing. They'll definitely keep it in the freezer for you, in case some of you are wondering how it works. Okay, so deal number one, this guy, I totally forgot to mention him yesterday. It is the Bic Soleil Escape Razor for $4.39. So a little bit of savings right there, but we have this $4 digital that is attaching to said product, making it 39 cents. So throwing it into a curbside basket, I mean, hello. The Pringles chips are on a buy one, get one for free at $3.49. IBOTTA is also giving back this rebate for $1 back when you buy two. So it'll make it $2.49 for 2 cans. Make sure you have the IBOTTA rebate, and that when you do go to checkout, for your curbside, that you ask to be processed through a regular cash register so you get your paper receipt so you can photograph it to IBOTTA. The Shea Moisture, this body scrub for $3.29. We have a very generous $3 coupon that appeared, and it is attaching, making it 29 cents for a product that's like always so expensive. So what a deal right there. And just to show you the overall basket, we have our Shea Moisture Scrub, the Bic Soleil Razor for $4.39. Both have very high value coupons. We also have our 2 cans of Pringles for $3.49 on a buy one, get one free. And then I just included 2 rolls or 2 packages of the 9 count of the Walgreens toilet paper at $3.99 because our basket wasn't quite there for the curbside pickup, and it has to be $10 or more, or they're not going to take it. And just to show you, I used the code WAG10 for an extra $1.21 off. And we have the Bic Soleil and the Shea Moisture melting off right there. So that's $7 of coupons. So like nothing to sneeze at right there. Looking at the overall basket, guys, our subtotal is $19.15. $1.21 with WAG 10 melting off. Curbside pickup is free. Tax and $7. So the new total is $11.58. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.58, get your receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA. Really good deal to get all this for like $10.58. And if you have the Walgreens cash, a much better deal. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is just food alone. If you might have the, spend 25, get back 5, which is a week-long digital booster, you can obviously double this order and make it happen. You might have to finesse the math a bit, but I know most of us spent it. So what I did here was I just threw in 2 Pringles and then 2 of the DiGiorno pizzas that are both on the promotion of buy one, get one free. Now, Pringles has $1 IBOTTA. DiGiorno, that's Walmart exclusive only. The overall basket is $13.28. I used WAG 10 for $1.33 off. No tax. This is food. So $11.95. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay the $1.95. Get your receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA, and it's not a bad little thing for 2 pizzas and 2 cans of chips. If you are going to be entertaining for the Super Bowl this weekend, it's just some extra food. Now, if all of this is kind of a snooze fest to you, if you go to your search bar and just type in clearance where the red arrow is, you're going to see your store and then just an itemized list of what's on clearance at your specific area, and you can just augment your basket. One item that was really interesting is this Act. It's like a lozenge or a gum for dry mouth. $1.29, buy two, get $2 back in Walgreens cash. Kind of a tall order because a lot of stores near me only have one, so like no dice for that deal. And then we also have some very cheap batteries, $14.49 down to $3.49. So some significant savings there. You might want to type in clearance if you don't like the items that I picked out, or if you want to Frankenstein something completely different. That's a stock up price right there for these batteries. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.